Hello everyone, my name is Loise Mbae and I'm a lecturer here at Tharaka University. I'm also a nuclear geologist by profession. I want to take this moment to congratulate the KCSE class of 2025 for performing so well and to welcome you to Tharaka University. The course portal is open and you can now take this moment to apply here to our university, which is in a very rich mineral area. Also at Tharaka University, we offer geology and we also offer mining as a career. And the reason we would urge you to apply for geology and also for mining is because it's a very versatile and very marketable career. You can work in so many areas. You can work in hydrogeology, you can work in mining areas, for example in gold, you can work in geothermal areas, you can also work in the petroleum industry, for example, Turkana. So there are so many areas that you can work in as a geologist, and also as a mining engineer. There are so many companies that are now exploring mining in Kenya, and you can work at all of those places. And the reason why you should select geology is it's in an area that is full of minerals. We have copper right here, we have iron right here, and it's actually one of the niche areas of this university. And another thing is that recently we got an investor from Germany who came and is opening a mining site right here at Tharaka. And the first thing that he is going to be doing is that he's going to be looking for laborers in that sector. So you're guaranteed that after you finish your degree either in geology or your degree in mining, you're going to have a guaranteed job in that region. And so we urge you that you apply to geology and also specifically to Tharaka University. You're going to be finding very able lecturers right here who are going to be willing to help you through every step of the way. Also, you will have access to this region for field trips, which we go a lot to visit this area and also other regions in Kenya so that we can explore the geology. Thank you once again and welcome to Tharaka University. And welcome to Geology and Mining Lab here at Tharaka University. I want to give you a tour of our lab and essentially show you the day in the life of a geologist here at Tharaka University. So right here, what I have is some precious minerals that we have collected either around Tharaka or also in other places in the country. Like right here, you can see we have some precious rubies, and also we have gold. This is actual gold that we have collected in Migori. This is fool's gold, so if you ever find this is not as precious as the other one. We also have some amethyst. So these are some precious minerals that we have collected during our field trips. Because we do a lot of field trips right here in Tharaka. For example, this mineral was found in Kadhangashini, right here in Tharaka. And also, this is copper, a very precious mineral that is used industrially. It's also found right here in Tharaka. But we don't just go for field trips in Tharaka. We also visit other counties. You may go to Kitui, and sometimes when the grant comes through, we also may go abroad. So you're very welcome for all of those exciting parts. So this is what we call in a geology rock catalog. So far we have not classified them into the different types, but as you can see, we have so many. So students visit the field and then bring us back samples, or sometimes as lecturers and also technologists, we may also visit the field and bring back samples. So why are we bringing rocks back to the lab? So the first thing that we do with these rocks is that we take them, look at their crystals and how they are looking like. For example, this one is a very pretty one. As you can see, this one we call it quartz. So we take this mineral and then we cut a very small section of it. And then once we cut a very small section of it, we go on ahead and put it under the microscope. And then we can see if, for example, is it precious to us? Can it be exploited for maybe something in an industry, or maybe it can be precious? So this is one of our microscopes. This is called a petrographic microscope. So once you have cut that small section of rock, you just put it right here, and then you investigate and you can see the smaller structures inside this rock. So that is essentially what our students do right here. So I was telling you about those small cut sections. If you look at our computer right here, so we have cut that section and you can see these precious minerals. You can see these pretty colors. This is purple, this is gray. So as geologists then, we can be able to tell how much of a precious mineral or an important mineral is in a specific rock type, like the one that I showed you. So this is basically the day in the life of a geologist. So we also have the chemistry section, whereby we also use some acids to digest those rocks for other different purposes. So you can either be in the physics side of geology or also in the chemistry section of geology. All of these are all the parts that we work in here at Tharaka University. So once again, welcome, and I hope to see you in September. I've been your host, Loise Mbae. Bye!
Tharaka University, education for freedom.